Hi everyone, let us begin another question from probability chapter exercise 14.1. Here, let us try to deal with question number 12. From a well shuffled pack of cards, two cards are drawn at random. That means you have to select two cards at random. Find the probability that both the cards are diamond. That means first of all we have to understand what is well shuffled pack of cards. So we know that we have total number of cards in well shuffled pack. There are 52. What are they? We know that this is heart, this is diamond, this is spade, this is club. Here there are 13, 13, 13, 13. So plus equal to 52. Now the numbers of diamond is 13. So we have numbers of diamond 13. Then we have to first find out the probabilities of getting diamond in the first draw. So we know the formula, that is number of favorable outcomes. Let me rough this part and let me rewrite here equal to 52. We know that the formula for probabilities of getting diamond in the first draw, that is number of diamond, that is number of favorable outcome for diamond divided by total number of cards. You have to remember this formula always, all the times. So to find out the probability of diamond, therefore it has to be put at the numerator and the total number has to be put always at the denominator. So what is the answer? The answer is 13 by 52. I think we can simplify to the simplest form. 13 1 is 13, 13 4, so we have 1 by 4. Now after we have taken out one diamond from the first draw, now the numbers of remaining card, the total numbers of remaining card is only 52. How about the diamond? We have taken one diamond out, so the number of remaining diamond is only 12. From this, let us find out the probabilities of getting diamond in the second draw. So let us write again the same thing. Now numbers of favorable outcomes for diamond divided by total numbers of cards, and the answer is, what is the number of favorable outcome for diamond after this first draw? That is only 12. So 12 by 51 is the answer. But we are not finished with here. We will continue to find out because the question says that the probabilities both the cards are diamond. So to find out that the bots are diamond, you just need to multiply this first draw, the probabilities of the first draw and the probabilities of getting diamond in the second draw. So multiply them. 1 by 4 into 12 by 51. We can cut here. 4 3 are 12, so we got 3 by 51. Or we can still cut here. 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 7 are 3 7 are 21. This is how we solve for probabilities where both the cards are diamond or both the kings are diamonds. So I will give you a question on the WhatsApp group how you can solve some others question with respect to this question. Okay, that's all. So you watch again and again. This is the way how we have to solve. Okay, let's go to next question. Question number 16. Let us read the question. Similar questions with question number 12. Here, this is the probability question. Now look nicely. 4 men and 3 ladies are in a council. So they are going to form a council. If 2 members are selected at random, they are going to select them at random to form a committee. For a committee, how likely is both are ladies? So the question here is both are ladies. Like before, both card drones are what? Diamond. In the same way, let us solve here. What is the total numbers of person here? 4 men and 3 ladies means we have 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Then number of men equal to 4. Number of women equal to 3. Therefore, let us find out the probabilities that the first selected members is lady. So we know the formula for probabilities, that is number of favorable outcomes for lady or number of women. So what is the number of women? Number of women divided by total number of person equal to 3 by 7. Now we know that the numbers of ladies has been reduced to 2 after we have selected 1 ladies, and now the total, once it has been reduced to 2, 1 has been already selected, so the numbers of remaining person is only 6. Now from this, let us try to find out the probability again. Therefore probability that the second selected member is a lady. That means what will be the probability? The numbers of ladies is numbers of ladies divided by total number of remaining person. So what is the total number of ladies? We have 2 by 6. We can cancel. 2 1 is 2, 2 3. So we have 1 by 3 as the answer. But the question says that the board has to be ladies. So we have to find out the probabilities that the boards are ladies. So like before in the playing card question, we will multiply these two. 3 by 7 into 1 by 3. So cancel. We have 1 by 7 as the answer. So this is how we find out when the question is about boards are ladies, boards are king, boards are diamond. So I'll give you one question after this. Okay, let's go to next question. I think many of you have played cricket and I believe that you guys know. So the question about hitting a boundary means here is the cricket stadium, and here the batsman, here they will have 3 stumps. Here the batsman will be hitting the ball and the balls will reach the boundary and it can even cross the boundary. So this is how it hits the boundary means. So let's see in a 2020 cricket match. So there is a match, a batsman, that means who hit the ball, hit a boundary 5 times out of 24 balls he faced. That means he is facing 24 balls and then he hit only 5 boundaries. I mean 5 boundaries. Find the probability that he did not hit. So the question is here, he did not hit the boundary in a ball he faced. Did not hit the boundary. So let us cut this part. Hit the boundary in a ball he faced. So the solution start like this. Here, let's see how many boundaries did he hit. Let's see. Number of boundary hit out of 24 ball he faced. How many? 5 times. So we have 5. Then the numbers of balls that he did not hit a boundary. What will be the numbers of balls that he did not hit? If he hit only 5 boundaries in 24 balls, that means the numbers of balls that he did not hit will be 24 minus 5, that is 19. Then the probabilities of not hitting the boundaries. What was the total numbers of balls that he faced? Total number of balls that he faced. How many? 24. So now the probabilities of not hitting a boundary will be 19 by 24. How is that, sir? Because the question says that probabilities of not hitting boundary. So what is the number of balls that the batsman did not hit the boundary? It is 19. So the 19 will be in the numerator and the total numbers of balls will be at the denominator. This is how we calculate. Or there is another way of calculating also. Let us see together. Here we know that the total numbers of balls that a batsman faces is 24. Okay. Number of balls hitting a boundary 5 times. We know that it is 5. Then, therefore, the probabilities of hitting a boundary, we have 5 by 24. How, sir? This is the formula. Probability of hitting the balls is numbers of balls hitting the boundary divided by total numbers of balls. This is from the formula, the probability formula. Then the question says that find the probabilities that he did not hit the boundary in a ball he faced. That means, let's see the probabilities of not hitting boundary. We have learned before that in the first video of probabilities, we have learned that P of A, probability of A plus probabilities of A bar equal to 1. That means here our P of A will be this. P of A is this. Then what will be our P of B? This will be our P of B. This will be our P of A bar. What will be our P of A bar? P of A bar will be not hitting a boundary. So what will be the answer? The answer will be P of A bar equal to 1 minus P of A. That means, what is our P of A? Our P of A is, so according to the formula, let us write 1 minus 5 by 24. So let us do operation of fraction. So 24 goes this side, minus 5 divided by 24. So what is the answer? 24 minus 5 is 19 by 24. We got the same answer here and here. So we can solve in these two methods. these are the another 3 questions for today. So you guys watch nicely, and then if you have any doubt, please let me know. So you write here, since this equal to this for this answer. Thank you one and all. You guys have nice vacation, I believe so. So don't forget to revise these 2 chapter. Last video I will send tomorrow. Thank you. It doesn't cost you anything, so please hit like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.